Welcome to Fluently Now. We help you speak English better at work. Today we'll discuss something essential for your professional success: how to introduce yourself effectively in the workplace. Whether you're starting a new job, attending a meeting with new clients, or networking within your company, knowing how to introduce yourself professionally in English is a crucial skill that can open doors and create valuable connections. Making a strong first impression can significantly impact your professional relationships and career opportunities. A well-crafted introduction helps establish your credibility, showcase your expertise, and create meaningful connections with colleagues and clients. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, so it's crucial to get it right from the start. In this lesson, we'll cover essential elements of a professional introduction, common phrases and expressions for self-introductions, cultural tips for different business situations, adapting your introduction for various workplace scenarios, body language and non-verbal communication tips, follow-up strategies to maintain the connection, scenario setup. Let's look at 3 common workplace scenarios where you'll need to introduce yourself professionally. Each situation requires a slightly different approach, and we'll analyze why certain techniques work better in different contexts. Scenario 1. Team meeting introduction. Michael, a new product manager joining the tech team with previous experience in mobile app development. Emma, the team leader conducting the meeting, known for fostering an inclusive team environment. Baksh Scenario 2, one-on-one introduction. Sarah, a marketing specialist with expertise in digital campaigns. John, a seasoned sales representative with strong client relationships. Scenario 3, client meeting introduction. Lisa, a project manager with extensive experience in digital transformation. Mr. Thompson, a potential client looking to modernize his company's systems. Let's see how these different situations unfold. Scene 1, team meeting introduction.
Good morning, everyone. Before we start our weekly meeting, I'd like to introduce our new product manager, Michael. Would you like to tell us a bit about yourself?
Thank you, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm Michael Chen, and I'm excited to join the team as your new product manager. I've been working in product development for about 5 years most recently at TextStart Solutions, where I focused on mobile applications. I'm really looking forward to contributing to our upcoming projects and working with all of you.
Welcome aboard, Michael. Would anyone like to ask Michael any questions?
Hi, Michael. What aspect of product management interests you the most?
Great question. I'm particularly passionate about user experience, design, and finding innovative solutions to customer problems. In my previous role, I enjoyed collaborating with different teams to create products that really made a difference for our users. I believe the best products come from strong team collaboration and user-centered design principles.
Scene 2, one-on-one introduction.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Sarah from the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm John Wilson from sales. How long have you been with the company?
I joined about 3 months ago. I'm handling our social media campaigns and content strategy. It's been an exciting journey so far, learning about our different product lines. What about you?
I've been here for 2 years now working with our enterprise clients. Actually, I think there might be some opportunities for collaboration between our teams. We've been getting some interesting feedback from clients about our social media presence.
That sounds interesting. I'd love to hear more about it. Maybe we could schedule a quick coffee chat to discuss those opportunities.
Absolutely, that would be great. I'll send you a calendar invite for later this week.
Scene 3, Client Meeting Introduction.
Good afternoon, Mr. Thompson. I'm Lisa Martinez, the project manager for the digital transformation initiative we discussed over email. It's a pleasure to meet you in person.
Likewise, Lisa. I've been looking forward to learning more about how your team can help us modernize our systems.
Absolutely. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to mention that I've been overseeing similar projects for the past 7 years, including the recent upgrade for Innotech Solutions, which you might be familiar with. Their challenges were quite similar to what you've described.
Yes, I'm familiar with Innotech's transformation. Very impressive results.
Thank you. I believe our experience with Innotech and other similar companies puts us in a strong position to understand your specific needs and challenges. Shall we discuss your requirements in detail?
Team Meeting. Introduction Analysis. Let's revisit these conversations and analyze why they worked so well, starting with Michael's team meeting introduction. Let's break down Michael's introduction.
Hi, everyone. I'm Michael Chen, and I'm excited to join the team as your new product manager.
His opening line works on multiple levels. First, he begins with a warm, inclusive greeting that immediately creates a welcoming atmosphere. By clearly stating both his name and role, he helps his new colleagues understand exactly who he is and what he'll be doing. The enthusiasm in his voice creates a positive first impression while maintaining a professional tone. When Michael continues with his background, saying, "I've been working in product development for about 5 years, most recently at TechStart Solutions, where I focused on mobile applications," he demonstrates excellent judgment in sharing his experience. He provides just enough detail to establish credibility without overwhelming his audience. By mentioning his specific focus on mobile applications, he gives his new team a clear picture of his expertise while keeping the information relevant to his new role. Moving to our one-on-one scenario, Sarah's interaction with John showcases a different but equally effective approach. Her introduction strikes that perfect balance between professional and casual that's so important for peer-to-peer interactions. By taking the initiative to start the conversation, she demonstrates confidence and friendliness. Her clear identification of her department opens the door for meaningful discussion about potential cross-departmental collaboration. What's particularly impressive is how naturally she guides the conversation from a simple introduction to exploring potential work opportunities. Finally, let's examine Lisa's client meeting introduction. Here we see a masterclass in formal professional interaction. Her approach differs significantly from the previous 2 scenarios, as it should. She begins by referencing their previous email communication, which immediately establishes context and continuity. By mentioning her experience with similar projects, particularly the Innotech Solutions upgrade, she strategically builds credibility. Her entire interaction focuses on the client's needs while maintaining a professional confidence that inspires trust. The recap and takeaways. Let's recap what we've covered today. 1. A professional introduction should be clear, concise, and relevant to your audience. 2. Adapt your introduction style to match the situation. 3. Use appropriate body language to support your verbal introduction. 4. Follow up with engaging questions or comments. 5. Always be prepared for common follow-up questions. 6. Remember to listen actively and show genuine interest. The key takeaway is that successful workplace introductions require a balance of professionalism, authenticity, and situational awareness. Your introduction is not just about sharing information, it's about creating opportunities for meaningful professional relationships. Remember to practice these introduction techniques in different scenarios. Start with the more casual ones and gradually work your way up to formal situations. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll become. Thanks for watching Fluently Now. We're here to support you on your journey to mastering business English. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and lessons. We'll see you in the next video.